welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are hearing me from. My name is Damilola, and today I come with another recipe. Very easy one, but yet some people find it difficult to get the right consistencies of it. And what are we going to be doing today? It's going to be how to make a Nigerian puff. Yes, and after this video, you're never going to have any issue with it again. So let's try it. If you find the video interesting, kindly help me to click the subscribe button below and also give it a thumbs up. Also try the recipe out and let me have your review back. Thank you. Welcome. So let's go and start. So what I'll be needing for this recipe, first I'll be needing a bowl. It can be any bowl for mixing. Then a cup of flour, just 1 cup of flour. 1/8 cup of sugar. This is it. Then we'll be needing our onions, pepper, and a pinch of salt, and also 1/4 cup of water. Importantly, the most important ingredient there is the yeast, so I'm going to be using 1/8 teaspoon of yeast. So first thing we do is sieve your flour, is to sieve our flour to remove the residues. We are going to sieve the flour first. Note that you can use any other kind of containers for you to mix this. Not necessarily should be a glass bowl like this, and you can use any other sieve also to make it faster. You can see the residue, the lumps that is remaining, so you are going to keep that aside. You are going to dispose that. Then add your sugar, onions, and your pepper, and followed by the salt. And also you are going to add the half teaspoon of yeast. Is important, and please do not let the yeast come in contact with the salt. Then you mix everything together and add your water. Mix everything together properly and add your water. Do not add less, do not add more. Exactly the measurement of the water is okay for a perfect consistency of puff. So after adding the water, this is the kind consistency is going to give you. It is perfect like this. So what we are going to do is just to cover. You can see the consistency well. You can see it's not watery, it's not too thick. So you are going to cover it for about 40 minutes for it to double in size. Welcome back. Now this is our batter, and you can see it has doubled in size. I'm going to deflate it now and start frying. And you can see as I'm scooping it into the oil, you let your oil be much and to be above average of your fry pan or pot, so that it will not stick to the floor, to the bottom of your pan. And then you scoop bit by bit into it. You can see it will flow up, and here we go. Yeah, our fluffy puff is ready. I wish you can just have a taste of this and see how perfect it is. Hey, welcome back. Did you find the video interesting? If you do, kindly give me a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to click the subscribe button below, and you can also turn up the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I make a new post. Thank you.